Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on using wines in your saute pan. And this is a Cabernet Sauvignon, and what you want to do is you want to match up your wine with the colors of your meat. So light colored meats like fish or chicken, you would work with a light colored wine. This is a sirloin, and I sauteed it with a little bacon as my natural fats. And now I'm going to incorporate maybe a half cup. And a lot of people ask me, what's a sauvignon? They say, how much do you add? Well, you add maybe a quarter cup, half cup. And they say, how do you know when it's done? Well, you want to be able to see the pan become dry like this. I could probably add a little bit more wine. And again, you want to not fully cook your meat. You want to saute your meat, get the browning on your meat, and then you deglaze the pan with your wine. Okay? And add a touch more. You want to put it into your pan. Enough where see how it comes back into the middle? And you turn it up a little bit. You want to do this in a hot pan so you're not overcooking your meat. And move that up, get that in the center. We're going to do a reduction. I put some salt, pepper in here. I have bacon. I have onions that I sauteed with the meat. Okay, and I'm going to bring this almost there. You can see it's reducing. Once you push this across and you see a dry bit, you're good. You can do that like that. You can also look for the pan to clear. You push it across. See how it's drying out? See where all that's dry? That means you're ready. You don't want it too dry. And you don't want it too wet, because you want that wine to cook and reduce with all those beef juices and fats and the flavors from the. I have a black pepper in there, and I'm going to turn this off. Okay, and the other thing is when you put it in your when you put it in your when you put it in your plate, you don't want excessive juice. You want that juice kind of to stick to your meat. As you can see, you don't have that runny bit, but you see how moist. Let's give this a taste. Delicious. Nice, beautiful Cabernet Sauvignon with a sirloin tip, onions, black pepper, bacon, and you have a winner. All right, guys? Again, this is how you work your wine into your meats. This here is a Sauvignon, a red wine. So you're going to work red wines in with beef, okay, duck, dark colored meats. In your white wines, you want to work with your light colored meats such as fish or chicken, okay, turkey. All right, light colored meats, dark colored meats, dark wine. Light colored meats, light wine. Okay? Enjoy, guys. Hope this helped you.